doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good, but how y'all doing? So, today we have a try-on haul for Lilacoco, because I'm in love with the coco. I'm excited because I've had these items for a while, and I posted a few pictures on my Instagram, tbabylove2. There's no way my camera is about to die. I swear I just charged it. Your girl's been filming. Okay, I'm gonna have to charge this damn camera and get back to y'all in a few minutes. We are back in action. So, I have not got my new desk down here yet. Furniture is taking a little bit longer than your girl thought. So I do not have something to set this on over there that's going to capture my face and my body while I'm talking. So I'm going to try this try-on haul a little bit different today and get groovy with it while I'm trying on these clothes. And I'm going to be probably back a distance, so you might not be able to hear me. So depending on after I film, I'm going to see whether... Anyways, off topic. So this is Lilacoco, and I have, I think, like 5 items. I've posted some pictures on Instagram already. Pretty cool. They put me on their website, so check out their website, which will be in the description below. I got some fitness pants, and then a dress, and some shorts and a top. So I'm so excited to show you guys because summer is coming, even though I am in Hawaii, and so really it's like summer every day. And look at this. My friend just brought me a fresh coconut, and I'm using my bamboo straw because you guys don't use straws. They're bad for the environment. Yeah. So I think we should get this try-on haul started now. Alright, so the first one, we got these really cute high-waisted pants. Woo! They show all the gains up in there. They're a snake print, and they're so cute. They go all the way down to here, and they're like a really thin material, so I probably wouldn't do leg day in these, but they are not, well, I don't think they're squat proof because they look a little bit kind of see-through. So I usually wear these for upper body day, but I love how it's like a V cut right here, and then in the back it's like really high-waisted, so it's like pretty, goes up pretty high, shows the gains. Just gotta get them on there secure. But what y'all think? What y'all think? These V gains ain't stopping. I think they're so cute. Oh, girl. Yes. These are my favorite. So, these are the ones that they posted on their website because I was like taking selfies and your girl's gains were barking. So, they're like, let me throw that up real quick. But these are so cute. You guys, look. The reason why these are my favorite is because they're like the dry fit, or dry, what is that called? Seamless, like dry fit material. So they dry like instantly, whether you have, you know, lots of sweat or not. But they're so cute. Oh my god, I am obsessed with these. The color, I want to order more of these. Wow! Look. But don't touch. But they're high-waisted and they say mischief. Your girl's been working. They say mischief right here, and they're really, I love how they fit really tight on the waist. And they show them gains. Yep. Yep. Okay, girl. Let me see what you're working with. Let me see what you're working with. Let me see what you're working with. I wonder what my neighbors think, because they could totally see me right now. Anyways, look at I think they could see me. Their windows are open. They're probably watching it, girl. I should probably close my curtains. But this is a long sleeve short dress. I chose pink because I think it is so cute. It has the buttons going down, and oh my gosh, I love stuff like this. I posted the picture on IG of what I wore it with. I had a little fanny pack. Showed them gains, girl. And I had some sneakers, some jewelry. It looks so cute. What do you guys think? Yeah? 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 Alright, the last ones are adorable. I think I put this top on wrong. I think I need some help. But I think it goes like this. I need to look at the picture again. So it's like a crisscross. And I'm pretty sure that's... Oh yeah, I think I totally have this on wrong. Hold on. Much better. Oh my god, you guys, I had the shirt on backwards, which it's been a long day, so I'm not surprised. So then you wrap it around, and it has the little tie in the back. Oh my god, now it's cute. Before I was like, alright, this looks real fucked up. And then these shorts, like, they fit me. They're a little bit big on the waist. A little bit big on the waist, but they're really tight in my butt area, so they're kind of like suffocating my ass cheeks, to be honest. But like, I'll definitely wear these out because they actually fit, and they're just a little bit tight, but I feel like once I dance, you know, what I do daily, and break them in, they'll loosen up. But this is a pretty cute outfit that I just put together. I mean, I didn't even really try. But this top, oh my god, it's so sexy, girl. Anyways, yeah. So it crosses behind, goes around, super cute, simple top with these Daisy Dukes. Is perfect for Hawaii. So let me know what y'all think. Those were all of the outfits. I had the gym wear, and then this outfit that I just kind of didn't really even mean to put together, but it went perfectly. Like, I would totally wear this out with some jewelry and a little, who knows what shoes yet, but in like a little cute bag or a satchel. I love outfits and love putting them together for you guys before you purchase them. So I'm going to leave everything in the links below, like I do for you before you go shopping. And I believe I do have a code for you guys as well to use. So I'll leave that down below. Like always, everything's always in the description. The exact items I got, the sizes I got. Your girl. Oh my god. I can't talk because I had too much matcha. Your girl's gains are getting real. So sizes are going to be different for other people, but I am 5'5". I don't know how much I weigh right now. I haven't weighed myself in a while. I just go by pictures and I just know my body. But I would definitely, I'll put the sizes down below so you can kind of get an idea, because everything always fits differently. The workout pants fit perfect. This fits perfect, the shirt. The shorts, like I said, they just really tighten my butt area, but they're, of course, like, they fit perfect on my waist, so I have that problem a lot. I'll just really try and stretch them in, or maybe like cut the sides a little bit because they're a little bit tight, like on my butt. So that is all I have for you all today. And my crazy hair. I have some exciting stuff coming. I'm just trying to get everything all organized, and of course, you know, as you can tell, my furniture is a little bit late, so I'll have that all set up. It'll be a lot easier to film in this living room. But thank you all for your patience, and thank you for continuing to support me, and I love you all, Team T. Baby, I'll see y'all soon.